In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update charts in PowerPoint from Excel automatically. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently work with data-driven presentations. Being able to seamlessly update your charts ensures that your presentations are not only accurate but also professional looking. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have your presentation file ready, go ahead and open that as well. If you're starting from scratch, that's fine too. Just make sure you're in the right presentation where you want to update your charts or graphs. Once you're in your PowerPoint presentation, navigate to the slide that contains the chart or graph that needs updating. This could be a bar graph, a pie chart, or any other type of chart you have in your presentation. Position yourself on the correct slide so we can proceed with updating the data. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Locate the chart or graph on your selected slide and give it a right click with your mouse or touchpad. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Edit Data. This is your gateway to updating the numerical data that your chart is based on. Once you've clicked Edit Data, you'll notice that an Excel worksheet opens. This is because PowerPoint integrates with Excel to handle your chart's data. This worksheet contains the data points that drive the visuals of your chart. At this point, you can start modifying the chart or bar graph data directly within this Excel file. Make any necessary changes to the data, whether it's updating existing figures, adding new data points, or deleting outdated entries. It's crucial to ensure that your Excel sheet is reflecting the most current and accurate data that you have. Once you're satisfied with the edits made in Excel, close the worksheet. You should see that your chart in PowerPoint is instantly updated to reflect the changes you've just made. This real-time update feature allows for seamless integration between your data source and presentation slides, saving you both time and effort. Remember, maintaining consistency with your data across different platforms is key to delivering impactful presentations. With practice, this process will become second nature, enabling you to make the most of your presentation software and data tools. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update charts in PowerPoint from Excel automatically. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at ensuring your charts are always up to date and visually effective for your audience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy presenting.